All right, we made it 1 year. We're going to check out some of the highlights and then talk about next year. Welcome into the BA Life-Adelic studio. It's been 1 year since we started on YouTube, and we have over 70 subscribers, over 10,000 views, and we have over 1,000 watch hours. So at the end of the video, I'll give you some exact numbers for where we're at with those. But I just wanted to say thank you to the subscribers. Keep watching, everyone that's watching my videos, and there's a lot of you. I'm humbled that you would take the time to watch one of my videos. So let's take a look at what we did this year. That was a good one. One day, jumping out of airplanes, before you know it, you're drinking low sodium V8. That dude's seen a lot of crap. This is how we survived. We just turned the noun into a verb, and we did it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Attention, Bigfoot! See if you remember this one.
Like and subscribe.
That's an oldie but a goodie. Does anybody else have this much trouble just to put a piece like this on? Normally this kind of stuff, for me, doesn't work out. Hey! We're back in the BA Life-Adelic studio. So, here's the countdown for this year, for this year's analytics. Drum roll. Okay. We have 59 videos. This will be number 60. We have 72 subscribers. We have 1,357 watch hours. And we have 10,460 views. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm having a great time. For 2026, or for the rest of 2026, I've been getting a lot of requests, but I'm going to keep making videos. So get ready. Again, thank you. And I'll see you on the next one.